Let's face it, life can get overwhelming. Deadlines, responsibilities, and unexpected challenges have a way of piling up. But here's the silver lining: visualization isn't just for chasing dreams, it's also a powerful tool to calm your mind and body when stress takes over. When you combine visualization with relaxation techniques, you give your brain and body a much needed break. It's like hitting the reset button, clearing mental clutter, and restoring your sense of balance. How visualization eases stress. Stress often comes from feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or out of control. Visualization flips the script by shifting your focus to a calming, empowering mental image. It signals to your brain that you're safe, which reduces the production of stress hormones like cortisol. Think of it as creating a mental escape, a sanctuary where you can recharge before tackling life's challenges. Guided imagery, your mental oasis. Guided imagery is a form of visualization specifically designed for relaxation. Here's how to create your personal mental retreat. 1. Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. 2. Close your eyes and breathe. Take slow, deep breaths to center yourself. 3. Imagine a calming scene. Picture a serene beach, a lush forest, or anywhere that makes you feel peaceful. 4. Engage your senses. What do you see, hear, and feel? Imagine the warmth of the sun, the sound of waves, or the scent of fresh pine. 5. Stay there for a few minutes. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this mental escape. When you're ready, gently return to the present, bringing the calmness with you. Quick exercise. Stress, visualization, reset. When you're feeling overwhelmed, pause for a moment. 1. Close your eyes and imagine stress as a cloud above your head. 2. With each exhale, visualize the cloud shrinking. 3. Continue until the cloud disappears, leaving only a clear sky. Using visualization for problem solving. Stress often stems from uncertainty or unresolved problems. Visualization can help here too. Picture yourself calmly navigating the situation. Imagine the steps you'll take and the outcome you want. This shifts your mindset from panic to proactive. Mini activity. Your future self as a guide. When stress strikes, visualize your future self, the version of you who has overcome this challenge. What advice would they give you? What perspective would they share? The ripple effect of calm. When you use visualization to manage stress, it doesn't just benefit you. A calmer, more centered you, Casa, has a positive impact on those around you, whether it's your family, friends, or colleagues. Challenge your 5-minute calm routine. Create a 5-minute daily routine that combines visualization and relaxation. Use it to center yourself in the morning or unwind at night. Stress is part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. Visualization offers a simple, powerful way to take back your peace and help you kick stress where it counts.